Shenzhen Jinfly Semiconductor Company Limited was established in 2013. It is one of the earliest enterprises engaged in the packaging and testing of memory chips in China. It has the world's top integrated circuit packaging and testing equipment and industry-leading 1,000-level high-standard, dust-free purification production environment. The monthly production capacity is as high as 12 million. Jinfly has a star R&D team led by more than 30 doctors. At present, Jinfly has obtained more than 200 intellectual property rights, such as invention patents and software copyrights. Jinfly has a strict quality control system and has passed the IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. It has a high-standard quality laboratory, and each chip has undergone strict inspections from raw materials to finished product storage to ensure delivery to customers. The products have excellent performance. Products and services include eMMC, SPI and other embedded memory chips, SSD solid-state drives, microSD, UDP, and other mobile storage products, and all kinds of memory OEM, ODM services. In the future, Jinfly will continue to increase investment in research and development, research industrial technology, unswervingly to the international first-class semiconductor memory enterprise forward.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.